I'm Jim Lowrey, owner of Lowrey's Auto Restoration in Tilton, New Hampshire. I probably started in the restoration business in about 1974. I was a freshman in high school. We started restoring cars at the collision shop my dad owned. And it just evolved from there to this business that I own today of nothing but auto restoration. So really finding help wasn't that difficult. It seems like the guys are willing to move to get the job, and that's what's happened in many cases. And you know, I'm awfully grateful for it. I've got great help. If I had to attribute something to my success, I'd have to say it was probably growing up around my dad. Great influence. I worked on cars ever since I was a little kid. Being all around that really helped me to achieve what I'm doing today. Racing career, that started a long time ago. We used to race NEMA midgets way back when I was like 14 years old. We always had drivers, and I always wanted to drive the cars. So eventually I did become the driver, and I started in midgets, moved into super modifieds, drove sprint cars, dirt modifieds, asphalt modifieds, and we've won championships in many races. I'm very proud of the fact that I'm probably the only driver in the Northeast that's won in every single major open wheel division. And that's just, you know, a lot of fun we've had over the years. It's been a great ride. Was there one win in my racing career that stands out? This is going to be kind of a weird thing to say. It was a race I never won that helped me a lot. It was a race that I had the fastest car in. It was a 200-lap race, and I got a flat halfway through the race. I lost 3 laps, but I made up 2 laps on the rest of the field, and I passed the eventual winner on the last lap to unlap myself one more time. And most people thought I won the race that night by doing that. And so I always get questions on the race that I never won that people thought I won. I would think that would be my worst loss also. I knew I was a car guy the first time Dad brought home a model car kit that I couldn't wait to get my hands on. It was a 1940 Ford Coupe. I remember building it one night, and I was so proud of myself that I got this thing built, and I knew right then and there, I said, I want to restore cars and build them like I just built this model. One piece of advice I would give somebody if they wanted to get started in this business would be find your passion early, find a shop to work in. A lot of people will go to these colleges, try to get trained in this field, which is great, but my feeling is just get in any shop you can, start sweeping the floors and work your way up. And then eventually find what you like to do, whether it's metal repair or body work, and really concentrate and go in the direction that you feel fit. I think that would be a full-time career in this. There's never an end to the work we have, and we're always looking for qualified help. I'd like to thank, of course, my family for putting up with all this stuff, having the business at home. It seems like I don't have hours. I'm always on duty. And certainly I'd love to thank my customers. The customers are key to success here, and the employees. You know, without all that happening, I don't have a business. I can do it myself, but it's not what I want. I need a bigger business than that.